Hello and welcome to the Diaspora Podcast. The name is Sakeleni Ngumalo Skubutundwandu Zitegalangatondose Umkajwa. And today on the podcast, we are joined by a lady who's part of pioneers of women's football in Zimbabwe. Her name is Zenzile Doli Mpofu. Welcome to the podcast.
No, thank you so much. How are you?
I'm good, and you?
I'm good. It's been long, man.
Yeah, to begin with, can you please take us back to those glory days when you guys played for the Highlanders Royals, and it was at the inception of women's football. How did that come about?
Uh, okay, when it started, I was coming from a basketball training in Highlanders.
Uh-huh.
So we just passed through the clubhouse. So when we got there, they were training. And then some of the guys that I was doing basketball with just said, hey, can you just try? And I was like, no, I can't do that. And they said, no, just try. So when I got there was Tumsanis Band, the coach.
Uh-huh.
So Tumsani said, when he looked at me, that short, when I remember, that I'm still short.
Yeah.
So Tumsani decided to give me a trial. So he gave me to Mazile. Bebambiza ngasimela. The best team yabo. So one got three chances, one-on-one situation.
Uh-huh.
And I managed. The first one to Mazile got the ball, the two, I managed. So what he gave me, but that. Unfortunately, he didn't know what is street football. Yabona. So
Okay.
I just kept quiet. Angamnikile lithuba lokuthi show him what I can. Kanti before siphume sokungena amajida lawo ereni yabo abanatha lapha abaphuza lapha eClubhouse.
Uh,
Bashaya inkwelo yabona umuntu uma ejabula ukubona someone ukuthi oh now we have somebody owazi ibhola. Then I decided not to go back for about a month. It was in August 1989. I decided not to go back. I stayed a month. Then in September, I got a letter in inviter which come for he has been selected which will be the Highlanders. So when I got there, I was like, coach, you said to me I can't play.
mm-hmm.
What happened? I was ukuthi ibhola uyayazi. Ngathi no. And when I was ungibuza ukuthi ibhola ngangikutshela ukuthi this is the first time kudlala i-professional. I would ibhola. So that's how it started, and it was really tough because bekungela support.
Mm-hmm.
It was a one-man show. Tumsani azama ukucela lena nalena ukuthi si-motivate as girls, of which he did that thing very well. And I remember when I went there, the shortest in the team, udlala nabantu abakhulu yabona o-Evelyn, oSikhangezile, bomshotha, u-Elizabeth, yabo. Nomsa Boys, okay, Nomsa Boys simthathe esikoleni, yabo.
Mm-hmm.
But the first time when I went in to play that game, I remember ngangisasidlala neZimbabwe Saints. And then ngangimakwa nje someone who was big. So ngangani ngilovalo kancane, but hayi uvalo lokusaba lo muntu, ngangisaba kwenza imistake. So the coach called me wathi kimi, une-pace mntwana, skillful. Ayisabi lindlovu leni ijika la duzane, yabona. So yabona, when I got in, vele ngamnikeza inkinga lo muntu ngoba vele ngangine-pace, very skillful. Yabona ngizihambela nje. So sagcina nje sebasinika i-nickname thina soyi-4 kwakuyimi, uMsotha, Evelyn naPriti. Sasiyi-4. Base besibiza bathi singamabhiza kaDumisana ngendlela esasigijima ngayo ngoba kuyiwalembile hayi vele sasihamba kakhulu hayi kancane. It was something whereby before I even went to play for the team, Dumisani decided ukuba azongicela endlini.
Okay.
Mina bengihlala na so gogo wasuka wamtshela Dumisani ukuthi hayi nangu umntwana siyajabula sicela ukuthi adlale ethimini. Well, my grandma was somebody lo bekagula, okay, she's late now, ephethwe sugar diabetes. Wamtshela wathi ngwethu nayo oyintombazane kumele angiphekele, kumele anginikeze ukudla and kumele anginikeze i-medication yami
On time.
Dumisani waba on time. Dumisani waba open wathi it's okay gogo, sizameka sure ukuthi masiceda ukudlala siyamletha endlini, and he was honest about that. Bekasithengela ama-grocery as a motivation. He would go out, look for ama-tracksuits, izikhwama, yabo. So thina besingekho motivated ngemali, besi-motivated ngempahla. Uyabona ukuthi nje ngiswenkile, ngigqoke into ehalenda. Yabona lo black and white nje bekamnandi kakhulu. Yabo. But kukho konke, when we trained and I started ujoyina i-team kancane kancane, saba in line na Alibaba uDube. Well, that man introduced discipline etimini.
Okay.
Training mayiqala nga-2, kufuna bese training by 1:30. Siqala ukugijima ngaphandle. Wafika ngo-2 wena uzagijima training iziyophela. So that's how good Baba was. Sigcima nabo Peter Ndlovu, bo Benjamin Konjera. Besi nabo Zenzo moya. UZenzo ke bekangathanda ukugqoka i-soccer boot. But indlela la bekushaya ngalo ngonyawo lwakhe bonganishaya. Yabona. So but I think the hardest time that we had was we had a talent as a team, but we didn't have support etholakala these days for women's soccer. Because if we had, I think most of us would be abroad. And I would say the most memorable time of my playing career was, actually I have two. The first one was when Dumisani decided to start ngaphandle sonke soyi-4. Yes, we-birthday kaNkomo lapha eBaba Syrup. So badlala labanye and bakora kuqala ama-opponents. And then when I stood up, yabona kwenza warm up, umsindo lapha e-stadium. Hayi, nami sengisaba lokungena egrawundini ukuthi hey, lo msindo.
I will disappoint these people who are cheering for me.
But luckily Dumisani wasifaka, sasi-trailer 1-0.
You were playing against which team?
We were playing against Zimbabwe Saints.
Okay.
Yeah, sagcina igame yakhona siwina 8-1. And uDumisani was that kind of a person ukuthi ibhola bekangazange ayidlale. But he knew ukuthi my weakest point is angizange ngidlale. So wayesibukelisa ama-videos akutshela ukuthi wena bukela zibani udlala i-position yakho. Batha lokubuildayo lo ubona engani akukusebenzeli ungakuthandi. Yabona. And then engumuntu lothi he knew ukuthi for i-motivation asinikeze ama-target. Akutshela ukuthi wona namhlanje ngidlala maybe neLobhengula Queen. I-target, I need 10 goals. You fail to reach the 10 goals ngiyojima emasotsheni bethini kanje eBarracks emasotsheni.
Ebredi Barracks.
Yes, ujima namasotha. Hayi amantombazana ngijima nebafana.
Hey.
Bogijima isifuba size sinuka igazi.
Hey.
Yabo. So sasingakuthandi ukuyojima ngayo. But there were bad and good things ngayo. Sasingathanda ukugijima. But after training, they were saying, amabhokisi, yabona lama-apple, lama-fruits and everything. So that was the good part. So it wasn't an easy journey, but it was a nice one because he identified people and motivated the talent la beyibona ukuthi ingasebenza, uyabona. Because we even had Dr. Gazi come in, bafike basinikeza ama-tournaments, yabona, basponsor i-tournament would play. And for the entire 10 seasons that I played, 1989 to 1999, we were the 10th. Yabo.
Yeah.
Showing obviously besi-motivated thina in any sport that we played until the time. And then the second one was when we played, it was a Line or Dr. Gazi, it was a White City Stadium. That one, it was my first time with my mom. So I played the game of my life. And that game, I remember, uDumsana TV, wena ngoba bekangibiza ngaTitis. Athi wena Titis, asewakele unikeza abantu amabhola, asewukore nawe phela. Yabo. I just need a goal so that I celebrate. So, say when I 11-1. That
was it versus Dynamos? What?
No, it was versus Lokuzeni Wande.
Okay.
Iwande. Say when I 11-1, and I scored the last goal. Gandhi, that was the time which is Valeli Sutumsan. After that, Samba went to party. And then the following day, some Matang. Our defense are the best. The best defensive midfielder. Why cooler? So the following day, I check. What is Dumsana? I'm gonna go and be the way. Ngihamba mina ngempopho ngiyamtheka endlini kaDumsana. Ngithola ukuthi uDumsana sohamba empilo. Ngihambe ngempilo. Empilo bathi ohambile uSamye Town. Sibane-ke nathi Town. Masihamba eTown sidibane namagida ayi-2. Athi kithi, awu, nangenkathazo lezi. Inkathazo zani? Wena uDumsana uzukulethi nayimhlanya mina. Dumsana usolihlobo lokuzibulala. Yabona. Vele singakuthembi. Then sithi asahambe. Ngafika vele eMpophoma. Imagine ngafika mina eMpophoma ekuseni. Dumsana wathi ayihamba esibhedlela. The next thing sengifika, Dumsana is late. That was the worst time. Because I scored the goal, we celebrated, and angani bekangicela ukuthi ngicela ungivalelise ngaleli goal. But I think that was the 10. Yeah, kimi ngingazabani. Kimi that was the, because each player uba ne loyalty ku-coach wakhe. So I believed in Dumsana, and I told myself, no, akulo omunye umuntu ongangicoach except for. They were then kwasokuvumbuluka intumbane lady. Most of our players bahamba bayele kuntumbane. Abanye bayabuyela kuZimbabwe Saints. Then I decided, no, I want to be a coach. But before I went there, I was Real Stars Queen in 2000. Ngaba player coach. But ngokukhula, you know ukuthi uyashuthi ngangimcoach ngidlala ngenza liphutha. Ngimtshela njani umdlalo, yabona. So I decided to step down as a player, not focus on coaching. But 2001, that's when I started the key yokuba ngicoach, sengifundela nje lokuba coach. Kukho konke nje, I would say uMdali Homela, my mentor, and nguye lo muntu le ngathi mina wangiphutha. Yabona uHomela, when I started in the class, level 1, wangifundisa, level 2 wangifundisa. Before I did level 3, 2004, sahamba saya eSouth Africa. UKhosafa, I was assistant coach in my tutorial. Silabo Rosemgad. Masifika eSouth Africa, only to find ukuthi kule instructors course.
Okay.
Then I took part in that one. So we played, our first game we played against Mauritius, 2-0. But
Okay.
mabedlala mina, I'm not a coach, like angikho ebhentshini.
Uh,
Ngale
okay.
kuma-instructors.
Eh,
So our HOD wabuya wangicela uku-facilitator wathi no, this is our coach, ngicela abuye azosisiza. Ngaya, it was after. Ngaya-ke ngangifika athi kimi khuluma ngithi mina it won't make sense bengingekho e-training
yeah.
bengingale athi no, you came here for coaching. Okay, so next game besidlala ne-South Africa bo-Portia Modise yabo bo-Veronica Pewa. Ngiyasho-ke ngithi mina i-strength se-South Africa is the passing. They possess a lot.
Yeah.
So if we possess, there is no way that they can possess.
Mm-hmm.
But they have two key players, Veronica Namoti. So if we can close them down, to close the supply in a field, sizakhona ukumetha bona. Imagine I played for about 10 years. South Africa singayishayi. Yabo. Then we did that. We sat down, we planned everything, waba right. Saye gaming, yakora kuqala South Africa. But relax athi. Sabuya 1-1, 2-1. The celebration on its own, it was like just winning World Cup. It was something good beating South Africa. And the next game first was Angola, then we were knocked out of the Costa Rica. But the greatest thing was we went there, we never respected anyone. But now I was doing it as a coach, not as a player.
Yeah.
Because if I can even take you back, you remember Baba Nesikhathi la kwakufika khona iXakane lady.
Yes, from South Africa.
Yes, yadlala against iPick team uqala. Yawina 8. The second day yadlala nathi Highlander. Lapho kwaba nzima. Yabona they fought to win the game. Bayina 2-1.
Okay.
After game bathi mntana yasichaphatha nina thina sesifuna ukudlala ne-national team. Nina yini national team thina le team endlale nayo izolo yiyo le set up. Because the challenge with women national teams is for females to survive, you have to be very, very strong and disciplined. Especially when you are coached by male coaches. You need to be disciplined and wazi indaba yakho ukuthi uyodlala ibhola, not anything else.
Yeah.
So when we were there with Highlander, I remember I was selected in the national team, but ama conditions ayengale. National team is a bit tough when you're a woman and coach amadoda because some men they put conditions for you to be able to play. So for us, we were just disciplined to an extent which we could stand our ground. So we selected team and somebody said, you need to be ube close to me. The closeness, it's a relationship. So we went back with Dunsani and said, no, we can't do this. So it wasn't easy, and I'm not saying all the coaches do it, but I feel like for women who want to pursue their career in soccer or whatever, they should not be scared to stand their ground and say no.
Yeah.
Because the fact you identify as a good player, that means go So there shouldn't be another condition to make you a good player.
So as a result, you did not play for the national team.
I played once then because I've been cool in yabona mawukhule nemagida and amagida uyayazi ingqondo yemgidi ukuthi njani. Umgidi usuka lana ulana kusasa usukile ulapha kusasa usukile ulapha. So bengiyazi impilo mina yamagida la. Initially I would say I grew up like a man, thinking like a man. So bengeke ngize ngivumele lokho.
So maybe if you can take us back, you said when you were playing street football, how did that come about? And the guys in the hood where you grew up, how easily did they accept vele say team in it? Because when we're starting out, you start a team in a street in like street less then maybe we go on to school soccer, then you go to club football. So khona phana emphepheni, then nxa lidlala lenye team esinye street, how then did the other players accept it? But lava i-team yabilotsheri.
Okay, bekungasi melula because even for the team oyidlalelayo ukuthi u-accept, you have to be exceptionally good. So it was issue ukuthi vele thina ekhaya kunebafana, 2 girls and 5 boys. So vele i-majority are boys. So if you want to be part of whatever they are playing, ufuna udlalela abawena ngoba ngokarate kumbe yini ufuna wenzela abafunayo, uyabona. So kwakuqala nje uthola ukuthi sesestradini badlala wona kumele apha eceleni ngicela kuzama ukudlala. Banganabafundi until one day nje uthola ukuthi omunye akekho. Sebathi ngena uzama ukugcwalisa inamba, then bathola ukuthi you are even better than them. Bonke sebayalwa-ke ukuthi ube sethimini yabo, yabo. It started like that and kwangisiza ngoba ngakhula gangster, uyabona. Wena uyazi kahle ngidlala le-strati ze-strati, ungabona ukuthi hey ngani kuyabheda, hayi ngiyabaleka, ngibaleka ngale mali. Utshela lo phethe imali ukuthi hey kuyabheda ngibaleka, yabo, ashaye phasi and suka nonke nibaleka. Ngizadibana ukuthi nifike njalo lezi ndlela akungenelali, uyabona. So that's how it started and it grew to whereby you go maybe uthi Shabalala versus Sizinda. Yabo, nike nisuke le kubo Ntumbane kuphi, but it was tight. It was tight because ufuna one libe ne-locuzen ne-pace manibaleka because kwakushayana, yabo. Imbethi kwakushayana, yabo. So kwangenza sukela primary vele nje ngathi bengidlala ngoba I remember even grade 7 I played for the school team eWaterford. So it was something whereby I grew up with it not knowing ukuthi kanjani, yabo. But I really appreciate lokuthi we managed to do something as ama-Royals. Nalokubonga bathi ngibani uKing lo wayelamakhumbi kakhulu lo.
Malcolm King.
Malcolm King. You remember siyodlala eBedbridge wakhokha ama-van. Sihamba thuphe le motweni C2. Yabona i-motivation uhamba ngama-van akhe, yabona. It was so nice. It was really nice, yeah. And it's so unfortunate that the late is no longer there. And I think like you saw, I sent you my CV. So Mauboga from the CV, it tells you what I started growing up being coach level 1 up to now I hold a diploma in coaching, awaiting to do CAF A, but in a diploma in sports psychology, diploma in physiotherapy. Bengenza into eziningi, you know, because but kubo bonke nje labantu abanye ngingababonga for who I am today. Yabona uPhilani wayecoach iPeacock Mask, Philani Ngobe.
uBeefy.
Yebo. Yabona lo baba bekanginika amabhola athi nangu coach i-development. Ngicoach mangiqeda sengiyamsiza ngale goal.
Okay.
Kanti sizaklasha ku-first division. Mina sengingale ngicoacha i-team yaseGwanda. Yena sole ngala ku-Peacock Mask sidlalela uVeza. You know, imagine your mentor playing against your mentor. Even in Baba, I once played against him, and abafana bami bamshaya vele. Wenyanya Baba ukuthi ngeke ashaya ngumfazi, yabo. Wagcina emhlanganweni athi abafazi bafunani lapha emhlanganweni. And I say to him, you should be proud. This is your product. You should be proud of what you're doing now.
So
I guess
so i-boys team le eyatsha abafana bakabhabha kwakuthiwa yikuyini ibizo layo?
saqala siyichabalala Park and then sayishintsha and one of the players sale soku-Highlanders uPride Zendela.
Okay, the goalkeeper.
Yes, because he started as a number 9 and I changed him. Ngamconverter from number 9 to be a goalkeeper. So ngaqala ukumtrainer from the age of 9 until wabuya ngapha eSwazini wadlala, then he went back to chicken in, but now he's at Highlanders.
Uh-huh.
Mm.
Okay, so it seems like you've got a very interesting history in coaching. Maybe we can jump onto that one. Uti, you now decide, I don't want to play anymore because I'm now coaching at Real Stars ladies. Now I can't be playing because what if I mess up? It becomes difficult for me now. What ngitshela player okokwenza. So maybe take us through that experience from Rail Stars. You moved on to which team? Your progression as a coach.
Okay, from Rail Stars, I did go. Now I would Chabalala Park, the development team. We had under 18s, 15s, under 17s. And then after that, Saslo Evaristo Pili. Mwelo waye overseer, yamale development. And a driver matrasi would come in asinikeze imali, but kunabantu nje abakwazi echabalala ukuthi bengihlupha. I would go out and ask for oranges for the kids. Go out and ask ukuthi asenda amabhola banginikeze. And people were supportive. Yabo. And yagcina the powerhouse, the development team there, because when we joined e-league, abantu bebangithathela phansi ukuthi hawu yabo, but i-Highlander ngayishaya nge-style of play lebesidlala ngayo thina. Bengazi ukuthi la inza phansi ivitali, so lani mina bengidlalisa le vitali. Ngamshaya ubhabha and ngamshaya emagumeni, nakho lokhu buhlungu yabo. Wanga-understand ukuthi ngimshaya njani. But when we came back and I'm under 17 athi abang number 1, and then under 15s were number 1 kwaba yithi, number 30 under 13 kwaba yithi. To me, that was an achievement to say this is something that I'm doing for the youth development. Unfortunately, I had to grow in terms of coaching. Ngasuka lapho ngacoacha amapholisa weGwanda.
As head coach.
Yeah, as a coach, yes. Ngahamba ngaze ngafika eHarare siyabacoacha ku-Commissioner's Field. Badliwa kuma-quarter final.
Okay.
And then when I come back again, ngoba kuma-Mighty Warriors, actually I resigned. I resigned because kukhona into ebezingahambi kahle, so I didn't want yabo, like ama-challenges, capabilities and everything. So uyakubona ukuthi no, when I think uyakwazi Bulawayo Harare ngamanzi na bona kwakhula kungamanzi na oil, so ngangingafuni ukuba coach ku-Crossfire yabo. So I ended up resigning in 2006. Then 2007 I moved in, ngabuya eSwazini. Started with Manzini Wanderers.
I think lapho udlala
no, bengicoacha.
Ngithi ngesikhathi ucoacha eGwanda udlala lo Beefy, which team was it?
BekuyiGwanda lokho
Police.
Amaphoyisa.
Okay, so they're the team in the first division.
They're the team in the first division. Yeah, it was as Gwanda United, if you remember.
Yeah.
So uBeef usadlala half time kwakungu 0-0. But umdala phela uBeef ebholeni. So wasengivumba ke ukuthi umdala wenza into zabo abazijwayele, uyazazi ke. Kwathi second half nje awukwana nje izulu lapha eLuveze Stadium. I think 10 minutes kwasongena 2 goals. After that time gijimisa lo 2 goals, hayi waya. wangitshela ukuthi igame wathi hayi ngimdala egemini. But it was really, really nice because I saw ukuthi I am capable of challenging. Though I think lokunye nje engingakusho ukuthi it's not easy breaking in a male dominant field as a female.
Yes.
It needs,
That's what I wanted to ask. That's what I wanted to ask. Kuti, now, you're now coaching in the first division. How then do these guys respond to being coached by a female head coach?
akhona ama-challenges akhona because kuba ne-issue whereby they will tell you ukuthi hey asikwazi ukuthi thina, but I was a skillful player. So I will
demonstrate.
Demonstrate and in language yakho talk football, they respect you for that. So when they realized, no, I understood and I was really in the airport, irrespect was there. So it's only that it's not everyone who appreciates to be led by a woman. Yeah, well, but it doesn't have to break you and stop you from doing what you want. So mina mela ngendlela ayengiphusha ngayo wangitshela ukuthi ufundile boyidlala. So as long as you know what you're doing, don't let anyone break you. So that is what has been keeping me going. Yeah. This side is even worse because the culture doesn't allow a female to lead most of the time. But I managed to break in because of the knowledge and the acceptance. I'm a supporter because once the supporters love you, you have won the game.
Yeah.
So ngoba mangibuya ngapha kwaulo Elias Chabalak wayedlala eGwanda. So yena he was playing for Wanderers this side. He came back early injured. Ngamtreata mina ngiseZimbabwe. So when I came this side, ngafika etimini yakhe. Wabatshela wathi lo muntu uphethe konke. Bathi asesibona banginikeza abo goalkeeper. Abatrainisela nje just for 10 minutes. Then they were like, oh no, all right. But ngafika kuyi mid-season. But no, sicela just to be end of the season. Ngase ngihamba-ke ngacoacha Interchurch Ladies this side, which is one of the best sides so far. That's what ngike ngasebenza nayo. This was led by Iso Dupont na Cordelia. Ibo kade bengama-directors team. One thing that I liked about the working under them was they knew how to motivate a girl child. For a girl child to play, ufuna qala jabule emzimbeni, meaning ngifuna kuba comfortable ngomzimba wami mangithi. Ngifuna kuba comfortable mangikhathele ibhola. So mangizathi ngiyagijima ngapha kuyasheka angikhoni sengiconcentrate kulokho okwenzakalayo. So yena you would provide everything like ama-sports bras, ama-ties, soccer boots, labantwana abafuna ukuya esikoleni abasize in terms of ukusizana nabazali. So each team was motivated. So we managed to play most of our games. I ended up even winning Ishosoloza tournament, and I was best coach. Got this trophy.
Best coach.
Best coach. Kule Ishosoloza tournament in Qatar. So it was motivating because ngadlala against some teams from South Africa, others from Mozambique, and we managed to beat them. That's when I was rolled in Guma under 20 national team as an assistant coach. Then Bangfaga would say the national team. Then Ngabuya futhi ngabu under 20 national team. But ama-team engiwacoachile nje, most of them were male teams. But this is one I want to clarify. Why do I like coaching male teams? They give me a challenge. If I play an opposition now, angishaya. Ngiyabuya endlini ngihlale phansi. Bangishaye njani? Yini lokufuna ngiyilungise? As a coach, you need to be challenged in terms of your tactics, your game model and everything. So I feel like coaching males, it makes me grow in terms of coaching. And ngiba step ahead with the coaches labacoacha ngale kuma-female, because female teams, it's rare to get in league and ama-teams angu-7 are competitive. You might find it kuna 2 or 3. So when you play lo 2 and 3, so we one-way traffic kulala bantu. Yabona?
Yeah.
Kanti kuma-male teams, if you have a league of about, let's say, 20 teams, you are bound to have at least 9 abakunika i-challenge. Nalabo awuthiwa bona ama-teams abe eku-relegation zone, bangakushaya wena uphezulu, yabona. So it's challenging, but ikwenza ube more broader in terms of learning how to coach, yabona.
Yeah.
So that is why most of the times when I go there, I'm going there to improve my game model, because you find there are teams whereby ngoba lokunye sekungisize kakhulu is I'm now a performance analysis coach.
Okay.
So I'm now able to even identify each team, my thinking system during the game. He started with a 4-4-2. Between the 4-4-2, iyashintsha ibe 3-5-2. Yabo. Congesting the midfield. So konke lokhu, as a coach, you need to learn that. And ngeke uphombe kwenzakala ungela challenge.
Yeah.
So, and lokunye is with male coaches, it's high time they embrace ukuthi there are some female coaches who are capable of doing their job. We are not there to compete or fight. We are there to help each other. And in knowledge, ayipheli. Kufunda uziyofa.
Yeah.
Yabona. The other coach might think ukuthi ngiyacompete naye, kanti mina I'm learning from him. Naye kukhona la ngakufunda kimi. Kukhona le ngakufunda kulama drills la wenzayo ukuthi oh laphana mina yami ngingayimprove kanjani. Yabona. But I'm happy ngoba FIFA has actually embraced the women to be part of our technical team. But it's not easy. It's not easy. But kukho konke discipline le number 1. Zazi ukuthi umephi wena yini ofuna kuyenza, because mina nje ngibelivela ku-possession. That's the style of play I grew up playing, and ngayi-embrace till today. Vele ma uyishaya ngiyakubuza ukuthi iyaphi ngoba kumele izitshalo, yabona. So it's something le ngathi mina with the women labakhona manje abadlalayo, I wish they can just understand ukuthi playing soccer is not always about waiting for the coach. Thina bebasithatha bayasiya le eGwabalanda, Road back to BF. Akutshela athi ungacela i-leave kulamakhumbi, you go back. Do it again. Yabona. At times basithathe basifake intaba le lapha emakhandeni yini. Fambe yebo. 1 hour 30 minutes. Up down, ushaya ama-push up down. Suke lapho mayifika eground lalinika ibhola awusayifuni. Uyayibuka nje kuphela. It's the fighting spirit le yayikhona yokuthi when you go in there, you train. Uyazazi wena ukuthi umnandi kuphi, uwiphi kuphi. Uyabona. Ngeke uthi wena ungakhona ukudribula. Ufuna ukuthi every time umele coach at home do something. Mina nje ngangibukela i-TV. Uthola ukuthi maybe lesipile ngisithanda ngipractice. Ngifika egemini ngisenze. At times ngenze something le lami ngesinye thuko ukuthi yini ngenze lento le kanje, yabo. But umuntu engangithanda ukuthi ukudlala against kakhulu was uNomsa Boy. He was very, very skillful. But iskills sakhe nesami sasihluke in terms of ukuthi yena nje bekamkhulu physically.
Yeah.
So we made sure ukuthi asimakani. Sasibangani. We made sure ukuthi asimakani. Sasingafuni ukuthi masiphuma abantu sebayahlela ukuthi wena bakufaka isivovo wena But I could think like what, like she could think like me, I could think like her. Indlela esasicabanga ngayo ukuthi nje kuphela I'm happy uma ubona Quincy 15-7 coach, Nomsa Boys coach. I'm really happy to see that because it shows ukuthi some of the players labanye nje sabagruma ukuthi nje uyabona ngafuna ukuthatha i-pride ngakho konke. Uyabona inline soccer academy.
Yes.
That's one academy, not Deborah Green. I manage the inline soccer academy. Most of the key players abahamba baya le kuma Olympics. They came from that academy. I was part of that academy.
Serious?
Yeah, Labo Trust. I was part. Labo Trust. I was part of that academy. But then, you know, when you grow, kuba khona nje vele ukuthi you part ways, uhambe uye somewhere ukhule. Though mina I still believe ukuthi i-women football isengatholi kahle i-support. Why is it that when you play games, male teams they get more money, but in Jala 90 minutes no? Yabona.
Yeah.
It's high time but okay, women's soccer, this is what get paid for this. Yes, I understand as Zimbabwe about Scotland, they do pay. I've been following their league. They do pay, and the way they are professional after. I've seen them going good team doing that. This is what we need for all women football. But in mistake is one women teams the development part. It's under 9, 10 vele tu. Ngalana sivele simthatha umntwana sekakhulile uzomdlalisa ibhola. Asistaren phansi, bathi sigotsha sisemanzi. Under 13, under 9, under 10. Ube nayo development yakho. Because this is where now you see ukuthi now when you want to compete, ama basics they are covered.
Yeah.
When out later, you are still trying to work on the basics.
Yeah, and they're already in national team.
Yeah, so if we can try and have a development teams that women, that would help in women's football.
Yeah, because it's something that I was talking about Evelyn, and I was saying when I was watching you guys, you know, you couldn't right away tell you these are girls, but then you could see because Utoli would be having these I don't know if it's pom-poms or whatnot, then you can say but that is a style, okay, yes, style cherry, but osamu labana bagela these amapunky lawana vele elidlala lapha. You couldn't tell ukuthi because even the stature, the structure, even the run, awungeke utsho ukuthi no man, even the way that they will be controlling the football, proper football. So I think it's because, like you are saying, you grew up playing in the street. So the way that you would do the step overs, I used to see you doing step overs, you know, and you see.
Ngake commissioner lapha sidlala i-friendly on a Friday eWestcom lapha ngingazi mina phela ukuthi ngikhomisha udlala ibhola phela angikwazi ukuthi ngikhomisha ngamdubula umuntu omdala yabo. Uzaboshwa we. Because no thina lamanzi ngiyakhala uma udlale women why 10 back 1v1
you see
why ayiwe indoda phansi uhambe yabo.
Yes,
and lokubulala ama-team amadlali is when you play as a winner the first 3, 4, 5 minutes of the game tada umuntu okumakayo ukuthi njani une-pace tight marking uyathanda yini ukuslide the first 5 minutes uyamthesta Mangela pace ukhuluma ne-midfielder yakho elalela mangizela kuwo
Eh.
ngachaya wami isake la sigangeni ngiyahamba
Eh.
mayenayo ipace but angakhoni ukumaka umuntu ethi nginikeze la nyawo ngiyamqonda lo muntu yabo.
Eish. So maybe it's because, like you are saying, you grew up playing with boys, so even mentally, isitsotsi sebhora uvele unjani ulaso, because when we play in school, street football, there is no coach. But like you were saying, siphethe umduli asilamali. We said bisanini thina sibahambe imali. Akusamelanga sidliwe.
Yabo. Vele ngibuthi lapho bekulukhuni wabona nje bashaya one kuqala uyabona nje lapha ngeke ngitshela shaya inkwelo kuphela uyayazi inkwelo ukuthi ufuna abalimi kade ngisaphila nidlale mama omunye yale zinasibandibana endlini yabo yiso isitsotsi lesinazo and nanokuthi uma udlala you shouldn't be predicted.
Yes.
Akufuni umuntu azi ukuthi bese uma uthola ibhola uzaphuma kanje. Kufuna ube ne-play yakho yokuthi qala ngiphume la ucabanga ukuthi ngiphuma la ngiyathetha ngiphuma la ayithi hayi ngiyakuye manje umuntu azosangani ukuthi ngima kanjani yabo.
Yeah.
Yeah, because the last time I played actually soccer was I think it was 89. Yeah, it was in 89 eHarare. Sasizama ukurevive i-women's football eHarare.
89 or 99?
So 99 I mean.
Yeah.
Sasizama ukurevive ngoba i-Dynamos uma ukhumbula yayingasekho.
Yes.
I-Dynamos yayingasekho. So we're trying to revive. So kwasuka iZimbabwe Saints ne-Highlander sayidlala le. I didn't want to play the game, but ngaya masifika lena sadlala. Unfortunately, imagine sikhamba siku-same bus. Masifika lena sidlala against each other. And then one of the players walimala. But ulimala and ngamdribula semayi kahle. Ngenza isitsotsi sami wazama ukuthena sebona ukuthi sekulate walimala idolo yabo. So ngibona uRafael ubuye uyagijima sengicabanga ukuthi but angahlabi umuntu uphethe yabona ukuthi ngicabanga ukuthi uzonginika i-red card ngoba uscreamile lo muntu. Into ngiyabo wathola ukuthi umuntu ulimele inyawo you couldn't even celebrate the win because of the injury. So noma sesibuyela mina I felt sorry for that girl ukuthi unfortunately ulimele. And kunebantu nje laba engathi ba-contribute nabo ku-women football putting their time in-meetings of the physiotherapist.
Yeah.
He was our physiotherapist and why he made sure walimala uma une-muscle awutshela ukuthi 2 weeks off noma uyobukela igame awudlali. Uthi egroundini laphana ufuna ukudlala usuhawukela phela lapho ukuthi bayadlala abanye impela ukungena coach ngicela ngena nje 5 minutes coach ngibona akhomba lempilo athi hayi ubukile lapha physiotherapist yabo. So it's bekunzima. Yeah, but I think going forward it's just a matter of saying for females out there who want to pursue coaching, the first thing that you need to do is learn and be willing to like when you do something wrong, babuye bakusele ukuthi no lokhu ku-wrong ngenza kanje. Be willing to take that because you grow from your mistakes. And then the other thing is there are times when males will be hard on you. It doesn't change who you are. It doesn't change your capabilities. So you need to be strong. Once you believe in what you have and be capable of executing what you have, they will respect you. And then to the males out there, it's a matter of saying, don't take us as a challenge. Take us as your co-coaches. You understand? Ungathi uma ungibona nje sokucabanga nje lokuthi uyangichallenge lo muntu. Vele ngizokuchallenge uma ufuna i-challenge. But uma ungithatha as a coach, uzasebenza, yabo.
Yeah.
So it's not an easy journey for females, but
Yeah.
I think I'm just encouraging women ukuthi asingeneni ebholeni. But ukhumbule ukuthi ukungena kwakho ebholeni awukezeli umjolo. Uzosebenza.
Yeah.
Yabona. And then kulabadlali it's kuningi nje lokungahambi kahle, but I would just say to them, ngenani egameni, play. But when you're inside the pitch, take out the mentality yokuba intombazana. Be a player inside the pitch.
Yeah.
Then when you go out, ubuyele ube intombazana. Yabona. Ungashinthi ukuthi ngoba nyalo sengidlala isoccer sokufuna ngishintshe ngibe njengemgida or what. No. Nale culture yasekhaya ungayilahli. Because abanye mase sifike ebholeni sesifuna ukuzama imidakamizwa yabona sesiyabhema sesiyanathi. No. Ekhaya bakufundisele. This is what is key.
Yeah.
Lukhuni akusiyonto lelula, but you try. Ama-challenges azaba khona. But ama-challenges are there ukuthi akukhulise ube ngu-better version of yourself. Yabona.
Yeah.
Ngiyangibukele nje laphana bakhuluma ukuthi Queen 15 years overstayed ku-coaching what. Sesikhuluma iqiniso, you can say that. But the truth is, what is the root yokuthi i-team ingaphumeleli? Ma-national teams, they wait for a tournament. Ema-clubini, they are not getting, at times we told ukuthi the coaches are there, but they are not getting enough support to do proper training. And then you expect a coach national team which ends in the side. There has to be that continuation whereby you say, let's say you are preparing for a COSAFA, you have played COSAFA this year. Don't stop training. You know the teams that you are going to meet with COSAFA. Get practice matches. Get out once a month they meet, or one weekend or 2 weekends they meet national team. They train together, they go back to my clubs house. By the time you call them, already you know what in color. I go to Abuja, I told what made the fitness it was zero. Labanye abakhona ukutraina every day. Mangaka ama-team eZimbabwe existing, the teams that have pulled out because of a financial problem. How many?
Yeah.
Money. Even this side we have the same challenge. It's only that for people to believe in those teams, they need a proper structure. They need to see you doing something. When a structure is coming, okay, this is the team I'm starting. ABCD. Ma uthebhisha le proposal yakho, lo muntu ayithande. Yabo.
Yeah.
But lo kunye sokushaya ama-sponsors into ethe. Remember previously you sponsor a team knowing ukuthi ku-tax kukhona lapho ubenefita khona. Yabo.
Yeah.
But right now labanye uthi noma afaka imali ngali tax yakhe iphezulu. So ubenza ukuthi aku-useless ukuthi ngifake imali. Let me just continue like this. So I hope there has to be a way yokuthi for women football to grow, we really need FIFA, CAF to come in and say, not just sponsor a tournament. Say, Swaziland, how many teams do you have? That women, maybe they say we have got 15 or 20. Okay, how many per team? Okay, we need about 20 per team or 15 per team to manage. All right, each team, I'm giving them 3 sets of kits, 3 sets of bids. In my budget here, I'll give them so much. It will motivate.
Yeah.
But when you also accounted with it, you get the money we seven just a corner in or not. There are so many challenges that corner.
Yeah.
So I guess I would love to see women football. A team from Africa playing in the World Cup. Yes, South Africa has done it. But why South Africa alone? Zambia have gone in as well. Malawi, Zambia, what they've done, which is right, was having a school of excellence. And like what South Africa is done. And South Africa doesn't have only one squad.
Yes.
Uma ungathi ufuna team A, B, C, D, uzabathola bonke.
Yeah.
Because they believe in development. Development, thina sifuna ukwakha indlu but sifuna kuqala nge-roofing. Bese ngikhane sifuna kubuya ngapha i-foundation iyasheka kunendaba yabona. For all teams, whether female or not in any sport, development in Soga.
Yes.
Because you will need stability in terms of continuity in whatever you're doing.
Yeah.
So my plea is, can any sport, even a development,
proper.
And not just development, identify i-model yale team ukuthi ngidlala i-power play. Uma ngidlala i-power play, recruit players abazokhona ukudlala le-power play. Uma nenza i-possession, recruit players abazodlala i-possession. Because i-team before, when it's time to recruit, to beef up, awufuni iqale ngaphandle, ufuna iqale la khaya. Coach minds that next season I'll need a left back, I'll need a right back. Ufuna iqale ku-development coach. Coach, awungakhele i-left back. Uyamthola, uyamakha, and then once a while uyahamba uyatraina ku-senior team, bambone ukuthi usele kangakanani, babuyele ngalo coach aseulungise nanku nananku, abuye alungise. That is better. So
it's a very big challenge that we have because like I have rubbed the people the wrong way for advocating for proper grassroots structures. Like what you are saying, there has to be a method to the madness. Identify how do we want to play as a country, because if we are a country that does not have resources, Aslamapora, maybe that is why we struggle to play a passing game. So then should we say, Tina, we play on the counter? Then what kind of players are we looking for that will fit into this system that we want to use? You just can't then go to a tournament and say, as when Spain idlala possession football, that we want to play possession football. Is that your DNA? Is that in your DNA? Tina, our playing style as this country, it's this because we've been training it. We've been doing it. Even when we are recruiting players, we give preference to this type of player. So it's pretty difficult because, maybe those that are in football leadership, they overlook people like you. Because when Agates, what you are doing is, you are not only utilizing this football knowledge that you have learned from books, you are also using your street smarts, which is what even your coaches, Abo Dumisani, used to do. Because if we were hearing Tina, Yama Royals Bella, le under 14 training, kuphela kuyi 1-1. Khona bona sebethi under 14 ayelendela opulala yona, adraw lamankazana. So at the end of the day, you guys, when you're playing against fellow ladies, those ladies did not have a chance against you because you are playing against the best juniors in the land and they are failing to beat you.
No, but what you're saying is true. It's something that I feel we need to sort it out.
So hopefully people will utilize, because I was laughing when you're talking about Okwinji, because I was thinking, all right, Okwinji sebe overstayile phela bakhona odoli laba kathi already doing it elokuzeni
mina ke sengiyahlupha because I know when you talk of women football, I don't think about results first. I think about the people that I'm going to work with.
Yeah.
Kufuna lo mntwana njengoba ngifile ukuthi again ukuthi adlale kufuna abe comfortable ngomzimba wakhe ukuthi noma ngigijima amabele ami awasheke mangenza yabona. So once wamthatha wamenza waba comfortable, sungaqala uku-introduce whatever you want to introduce uza kuza ngoba u-free yabo. And then bese kuba i-issue yokuthi le-grassroots asibuyeleni ku-grassroots, asibuyeleni ku-development,
Yeah.
because we can never achieve ukushaya i-South Africa sisafuna ukuthatha abantwana sebasesikoleni kuma-high school. No, we can never.
Yeah.
Ngiqala sisemncane e-primary, yabona nje ama-under 6 mfundisa ama-basics. Uyabuya lokhu fundamentals, ngena ngama-fundamentals. Mabethi 7, 8, 10, 11, umntwana i-basic uyayazi. Wona usu-eda yi-15. But ngeke ufuna ukwenza konke at once. But the key is, what is the model ye-country? Bese nikufaka ngale kuma-clubs. To say, clubs, we don't mind you playing possession or whatever. But as a country, this is our playing model. So yes, you can have your playing style, but make sure once in a while you introduce it so that when we call players into the national team, they don't struggle or whatever. And our training programs always go this way, this way, this way. Try and implement that in my club. It becomes easier for national team coaches now to come. And now this time I've seen our national teams, they've done the TDS, whereby some branches where development teams are coach, are trainer somewhere, maybe like here we have Manzini, different regions. But the question is, are you putting proper coaches to do the job?
Yeah.
Not that I'm undermining any association or what. I'm saying for development, put in people that will actually tap in proper fundamentals. So that when you go up there, you can't say, no, I missed out there. And then during Gulama teams, Premier League, ladies, or whatever, you need to have a specialist in each department. In defense, kulo muntu strong with defense. Uzakhona ukubatshela ukuthi oh mawumaka nimaka kanje nenza kanje. Midfielders unabo bogidisa. Uyabona babele Benjamin Conjera the late, you know how they used to play. Ube nama specialist kuma corner kick. Johannes Ngozi, one of the best corner kick takers. The guy say corner kick and you knew what is dead. But we let Kumalo, what messages, you knew what the messages, the bazaksha. But now we want to embrace everything in one umbrella. That means you are missing out on one or two things. You see important side, but you don't have time saying that they are individual. So we improve on that.
For starters, maybe we need an indaba whereby you former footballers, coaches, veteran coaches, upcoming coaches, people that have a stake in the game, stakeholders can come together and we discuss what our strengths as a particular country. And then when we identify those strengths, then we say, guys, this is how we should play. So that you get that template. All right, this is the template. You can now, Nandisa, you can now polish here and do A, B, C, D, but a template we yona leo. That way now, even if someone is doing it at their club, this one is doing it at their club with certain variations. Those players, if they are called in, they know ukuthi vele this is our template, this is our type of play. Because you know what's interesting, I attended a coaching course, I think it was level 3. Then we discuss about how do we stop wingers or lava. Uguti, do you show this winger outside or you show them inside? And one person will be like, it's dangerous. Then another one says, but if you show them inside, look, now Osaka, who is left-footed, is playing on the right. You show him inside, he's coming into his stronger foot. He's shooting at goal. We are close, iron open.
But Logonia, I think Guleo department is, when you come in as an assistant, you are there to help, not to change. So if the head coach says, I believe in power play, you have to try and assist in whatever you want. Because yikho kusuka kusibulale thina whereby you come in as an assistant, you come in maybe as a goalkeeper coach, now you want to do what the head coach is doing. So the embrace whatever, especially when you do possession and you assist a power play coach. But what you only have to do is just to say, coach, no, okay, coach. Okay, coach. It makes you grow in terms of in the event nidibane nomunye umnyaka yena dlala kwenye into edlalisa enye team wena udlala i-possession, so yamshaya-ke nyabe simkhomba ukuthi why wena ubungabhiliveli kuleyo yabo. But as an assistant coach, once you humble yourself and work with that other person support in whatever he wants to do, it makes your life easier.
Yes.
It really makes your life easier. But once you start ukuthi hayi look kulukhuni ngoba ama-wingers kulukhuni ukuwamaka, especially last very skillful ngoba ba-unpredictable. Uzangivala ngalana ngingene uvala ngalana ngingene la. So labo bashowa iline ngilabo wazi ukuthi vele isikhathi esiningi uzafuna ukuthi step over aphume ngalo ukuthi hamba ngalo, so uma kweli-line uma kwenguwe akasakhona ukuya somewhere, uyabona. But kulukhuni man. But anyway, man, thank you, man, for reaching out, man.
Angithi hayi la mbonge kakhulu, and I do wish people could utilize you, because now when you're talking about ukuthi abantwana abangamankazana baphathwa njani, what comes to my mind is if we have a TD, we should have a TD for the guys, we should have a TD for the ladies. Yes. So I do think that our association should consider that. Yes, because TD Luana, like you are saying, so many all falling under his umbrella. So now if there is a TD for female football, that's what he should come in and do the job. So no, thanks a lot, hey.
But ke kula mahlola nyama batshela ukuthi bathi bophi jam. Uyakhumbula?
Yes.
They need to bring back that the glory times. And Umwaru Shem, I really appreciate what he's doing. Keeping up the playing style, and it's only that he's not getting enough support in terms of Ireland has always had a financial problem. But it's all about the supporters coming on board.
Yeah. Thanks, hey. You have yourself a wonderful day. Ciao.
Same to you.